Imagine a world where research is transformed by AI, uncovering insights we never thought possible. Today, we'll explore how AI is reshaping research and analysis, breaking the boundaries of traditional methods. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, TrendMicro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, GenAI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out iforyou.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing or NLP services infused with GenAI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Traditional research methods often struggle with vast data. AI-powered thinking offers a new approach, processing information at incredible speeds and revealing patterns hidden to the human eye. Notebook LLM uses advanced natural language processing to understand documents deeply. It goes beyond keywords, grasping context and nuance, making it a powerful tool for researchers. This AI can handle multiple formats, from PDFs to web articles, ensuring consistent analysis. It creates a unified understanding, bridging gaps between different document types. Notebook LLM mimics human cognitive processes, engaging in dynamic reasoning. It adapts to your research needs, tailoring responses and learning from interactions. This AI doesn't just provide static answers. It challenges its conclusions when faced with new data, demonstrating intellectual flexibility akin to human reasoning. Notebook LLM synthesizes information from diverse sources in real time. It identifies connections and themes, offering a comprehensive view of your research landscape. As new information emerges, the system updates its synthesis dynamically. This ensures your understanding remains current without manual reviews. AI automates literature reviews, saving hours of manual work. It identifies relevant sources, highlighting key findings and methodologies for deeper analysis. Cross-disciplinary connections reveal hidden insights. AI uncovers how findings in one field can inform another, fostering innovative approaches and breakthroughs. AI supports academia, business, and law by accelerating research and diagnostics. It aids in strategic development, offering data-driven insights for decision-making. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnostics and research, improving patient care. It identifies patterns in medical data, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. AI-generated ideas boost brainstorming sessions, breaking cognitive bottlenecks. It offers fresh perspectives, enhancing creativity and collaboration. Faster hypothesis testing and intelligent task prioritization streamline research. AI evaluates impact, optimizing workflows, and reducing decision fatigue. AI breaks through information overload with smart filtering, surfacing only the most relevant data. It learns from your patterns, becoming more efficient over time. Language barriers are eliminated with real-time translation, maintaining context and nuance. This opens up global research opportunities, fostering innovation. By reducing time to insight, AI compresses research timelines from weeks to hours. It democratizes access to advanced analytics, leveling the playing field for all researchers. Recap: we've explored how AI transforms research, enhances workflows, and supports various industries. By embracing AI, you unlock new potentials in your research endeavors. Takeaway: by integrating AI into your research, you'll gain deeper insights and streamline processes. This collaboration enhances your critical thinking and expands your analytical capabilities. Call to action: start experimenting with AI in your research today. Embrace this powerful tool to uncover insights and drive innovation. Together, let's redefine the future of research.